Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated release of Linux Mint 22.1, codenamed SIA. The final ISO images are now available for download, marking an exciting moment for Linux enthusiasts worldwide. Let's take a closer look at what this release has to offer and why it's a game changer for the Linux Mint community. Built on a strong foundation, Linux Mint 22.1 SIA is built upon the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Noble Numbat operating system series, ensuring a stable and reliable base. It's powered by the Linux Kernel 6.8, which brings improved performance, hardware support, and security enhancements. This release is a long-term support version, meaning it will receive updates and security patches until 2029, offering peace of mind to users who prioritize reliability and longevity. Let's talk about the introducing of Cinnamon 6.4. One of the standout features of this release is the inclusion of the Cinnamon 6.4 desktop environment. This update introduces several exciting enhancements, including built-in nightlights feature, a much-needed addition that works seamlessly with both Xorg and Wayland, reducing eye strain during nighttime usage. Next is the brand new default theme, a refreshed look that modernizes the desktop experience while maintaining Linux Mint's signature usability. The other thing is the native dialogs, improved consistency across applications, making interactions more intuitive. Let's talk about the enhanced Wayland session, a more polished and reliable experience for users opting for Wayland. The final thing is the simplified sound settings. Our amplification controls have been streamlined for ease of use. Additionally, the Nemo file manager has seen notable improvements, enhancing usability and efficiency for file navigation and management. Now let's talk about the advanced utilities and improvements. Linux Mint 22.1 ships with an updated version of the bulky file rename utility. This tool now includes the ability to remove accents from file names, making it more versatile for a wide range of users. Other highlights include: the first thing is the thumbnail support for .ora files, enhanced compatibility with the open raster files, ideal for artists and designers. The next up is the improved power management, better battery life and energy efficiency. The final thing is the modernized APT dependencies, significant updates to the package management system, introducing tools like apt-get and Captain. A closer look at APT modernization. The modernization of APT dependencies was a major focus for the Linux Mint team by reviewing and streamlining outdated components. They have created a more efficient and future-proof system. Key benefits include: the first one is the better translations, resolving long-standing localization issue for a more inclusive experience. The second one is the simplified architecture, boosting Wayland compatibility in the update manager. The final one is the enhanced development tools, easier creation and maintenance of essential libraries. While many of these changes may not be immediately visible to the average user, they lay a strong foundation for a smoother, more reliable experience. This overhaul ensures the Linux Mint package management system remains robust, user-friendly, and adaptable to future needs. Now let's talk about the upcoming announcements and compatibility. The Linux Mint team has confirmed that an official announcement will be made by the end of the week. Additionally, the upgrade path from Linux Mint 22 will soon be opened, making it easier for existing users to transition to the latest version. Excitingly, the team has also stated that these new features will be also available to the LMDE, which is Linux Mint Debian Edition users, in the near future. Now, ready to download? If you are eager to get started with the Linux Mint 22.1 SIA, the final ISO images are available now from the official mirrors. This release represents the culmination of hard work and dedication by the Linux Mint team, delivering a powerful, polished, and user-friendly operating system. Now let's talk about the final thoughts. Linux Mint 22.1 CR is more than just an update. It's a testament to the ongoing commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. From the modernized desktop environment to the under the hood improvements, this release has something for everyone. Whether you are a seasoned Linux user or just starting your journey, CR is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux content. Have you tried Linux Mint 22.1 yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.